I will take you through a very short presentation. Play-based learning. Let's see theories on play. Play for Piaget provides children with opportunities to develop social competency through ongoing interactions. Eric Erikson reinforced the development and use of plays as therapy to help children cope with emotional difficulties. Vygotsky believed that all imaginary situations devised by young children follow social rules. Through make-believe play, children develop an understanding of social norms and try to uphold those social expectations. Sigmund Freud suggested that every child at play behaves like a creative writer in that he creates a world of his own, or rather rearranges the things of his world in a new way which pleases him. Frederick Frobel believed that play is the highest expression of human development in childhood, for it alone is the free expression of what is in the child's soul. Let's see what is play. Play is critical to the healthy growth and development of children. One of the ways children learn about themselves, the people around them, their environment, and their community. By playing, a child will then learn how to process and make sense of what sensation he or she receives, whether it's by sight, sound, taste, smell, or touch. Play releases stress and boredom, connects people in a positive way, stimulates creative thinking, exploration, regulates emotions, and boosts confidence. Play provides many opportunities for children to practice skills, stretch thinking abilities, work through emotions, socialize, and be creative. Children learn through play, develop physical skills. In that, we have gross motor and fine motor. Gross motor skills are developed as a child learns to reach, grasp, crawl, run, climb, and balance. Fine motor skills are developed as children handle some toys, like control of the hands and finger improves. Cognitive development. Learn to solve problems through play, learn colors, numbers, size, and shapes. Have the ability to enhance their memory skills as well as their attention span. Able to move on the higher levels of thought as the play in a more stimulating environment. Develop language skills. In that, language develops as a child plays and interacts with others. Begins with parents playing coin games with their children and advances to practical levels such as telling make believe stories and jokes. Develop social skills, natural ways for children to interact, opportunities for cooperating, taking turns, sharing, listening, and negotiating exit within the play. Now, let's see what is structured play. What is structured play? The critical role of the teacher. Not this one. Structured play or play with purpose is any activity that offers the child a specific learning objective It could be learning a certain life skill, teaching the month of the year, or working on important physical abilities such as gross and fine motor skills. What is the best approach to early learning? Current government guidelines, first instantiated in the early years of the 21st century, suggest that structured play is the best approach to early learning. Currently, play is seen as a key way of facilitating learning during the foundation stage. Let's see the advantages and disadvantages of structured play. Now, in advantages, new ideas, that is, providing play opportunities allows you to introduce your child to new ideas and types of play. Now, in social interaction, opportunities to learn self discipline, sportsmanship, conflict, resolution, sharing, and so on. For younger children, play provides opportunities for parents and classmates to model appropriate behaviors through simple games such as musical chairs, ringa ringa roses, red light, green light, and so on. Disadvantages: stress, less unstructured play. In stress, overscheduled structured play causes stress and anxiety to a child. Busy structured play schedules may fall behind at school, complain of headache or stomach aches, and frequent exhaustions. Less unstructured play provide too much structured play, eliminates time for free, child-centered play. Decrease in time assigned for free play interferes in the development benefits of unstructured play, such as creativity, imagination, decision making, and developmental of overall imagination, emotional, cognitive, and physical strength. Let's see what are the teacher's role over here. Facilitate, engage, create opportunities. Here, the critical role of the teacher during play must include facilitation, engagement, and appropriate individualization for each child's developmental level. Planning for play must be intentional. Teachers must focus on creating opportunities for higher level thinking by incorporating time, space, and materials for play. Here, the parent involvement. Parents are the children's first and best playmates. Children tend to be more creative. Parents can observe, watch your child closely to learn what he or she can do, as has problem doing. Be aware of your child's favorite activities. In follows, join in and play with your child so that he or she knows who are interested in what he or she is doing. Be creative. Use toys in different ways. Being creative will make playing more fun for you and for your child. Now, your playtime is learning time. Music sets, ride on toys, dollar stuffed animals, and blocks. Now, in music sets, allows babies, toddlers to create their own music, builds confidence, and an ear for what sound good to them. Ride on toy, child's imagination increases, strengthen their safety skills by teaching dolls to buckle up and develop their sense of independence by pretending to go on adventures on their own. Dolls or stuffed animals offers young children to practice their people skills and model behaviors that they see in other people. For blocks, young children can learn to manipulate blocks and make basic through building, designing, patterning, and creating. Learning through play in the classroom. Classroom environment can be altered to decrease children's stress level. Play should be in relaxed environment. Teachers can create environments that are more playful and less stressful by allowing children to make choices about their activities. Allowing students to make decisions about what and how they learn helps them find learning enjoyable. The value of play. Play fosters a child's physical, social, emotional, and intellectual development. Where play has gone, outdoor play is pre-received as being too dangerous for children. Children are bombarded by televisions, DVD, computers, games, violent toys that inhibit imaginative play, extracurricular activities, and academic pressure. Little time is being allocated to creative play. Greatest threat to children's creativity play are televisions, videos, DVDs, and computers. There are different types of play: sensory play, exploratory play, manipulative play, dramatic play, creative play. In sensory play is learning through senses. In exploratory play, learning by finding out. Manipulative play, learning by touch, feel, handle, mold. For an example, blocks, Lego, Duplo, paper folding, cutting, pasting, and physical. Dramatic play is kind of role play. Creative play, learning by creating. There are different stages as well for play. Unoccupied play. In unoccupied play, the child is not playing, just observing. Solitary play, the child plays alone, focused on their own activity, unaware and uninterested in what others are doing. Onlooker play, the child watches others at play but does not engage in it. The picture number 2, they may talk about it, but they do not join in. Parallel play, the child plays separately but close to others, often mimicking their actions, often seen as the beginning of more complex social play. The third picture. The fourth picture, associative play. The child is interested in playing with others and interacts with others during play, but the activity is not organized or coordinated. Last, cooperative play. The child is interested both in the people playing and in the activity. The activity is organized and participants have assigned roles. This is the beginning of teamwork. The most important things that adults can provide for the children are time, space, material, care, contact. Now I may invite Veena ma'am to take the presentation further.
Thank you, Hina ma'am. So, good evening. Good evening, my little learners. How are you all?
We are fine, Veena ma'am.
I am sure you are bored and would like some games. Would you like to play some games? Yes?
Yes, Greg sir was asking me about some games.
Okay. I've come up with a game. You know what is the name of the game? Guess who said it. So, wear your thinking cap and be ready. But follow the rules. You have not to break the rules. Don't unmute yourself for answering. You can put your answers in the box, okay? But you have not to unmute yourself. chat. You have to put the answers in the chat box, not to unmute, which will create chaos. So don't unmute. And listen, what is the gift? You know, if you guess right, you will have a virtual tour. Virtual tour, you know, you have to guess. You only have to select your famous state for that, and you have to name the state. After the play, we will take you to the for virtual tour. So be ready. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we start.
Yes, ma'am.
Guess who said it? लड्डू मुझको बहुत है प्यारे. कौन बोलता है? बोलो बोलो लड्डू मुझको बहुत है प्यारे. I want Sharon ma'am to help me with this.
Yes, ma'am. It's Chota Bheem. Smita ma'am and Principal ma'am have answered.
The ma'am, well done, Deepa. Well done. All of you get a big smile, big stars or smiley. Thank you. And the answer is Chota
Ma'am, I
Bheem.
want laddu.
Oh, laddu. No. Great, sir. If you eat laddu, too much of laddus, you don't know what will happen. As sitting at home, we are putting on more weight.
He'll become like Chota Bheem.
But ma'am, my mama gave me, I brushed my teeth thrice a day.
No, be careful. Your teeth will decay. Okay. And no, you cannot go to the doctor also now. So take
Okay,
care.
ma'am.
Don't eat too much of sweets. Okay. The next slide, please. मेरे प्यारे देशवासियों. Who starts this
Modi.
sentence?
Modi
Oh,
ji. Very
wow.
answer. Everyone is answering Modi ji.
But it's something very good. A big smiley for everyone. Thank you. Very good. Our dear Prime Minister Modi ji. Very good. Thumbs up and a smiley. बाबू मोशाय, जिंदगी बड़ी नहीं होनी चाहिए, तो लंबी होनी चाहिए. Oh wow, Rajesh Khanna, right? You are all right. Very good. You get us?
Ma'am, I wrote different answer.
Pardon? Why
I
did
wrote
you?
Kakaji. I wrote Kakaji. Even that is right.
Yes, you did. It is right, but Kakaji did.
Ma'am, you are not audible, sir.
Pardon? It's not Kakaji. Okay, they used to call him Kakaji. Do you think they used to call him Kakaji?
Yes.
Okay. They used to call him Kakaji. Okay. Rajesh Khanna was known as Kakaji. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Oh, I came to know today. Very good. Thank you, great sir. Okay, we'll go to next question. So you watch films, great sir? You used to watch films, right?
Yes, lots of films. I love watching films. I'm a die-hard fan.
Very good. Keep it up. Okay.
I learn
Eureka!
through films.
Okay, the next slide. Eureka! Eureka! Which means I have found it. Who said this? Very good, Dipti ma'am. Only few answers I'm getting. Very good, Principal ma'am. Who said this? Archimedes. Very good. Okay, when did he find this? When did he say this? Can you anyone answer? When did he say this?
When he was taking bath in his
Oh,
bathtub.
very good. Very good, Greg sir. Only Greg is answering, huh? Very good. Well done.
Greg sir should be the monitor.
Talkative
You're-
monitor.
Very
Are
good.
we allowed to unmute?
Yes, I told not to unmute, right? But I asked you. Okay, sorry. I'll tell you when to unmute. Okay. Okay. The next question. आज करे सो अब 1 minute. I cannot see. 1 minute. कल करे सो आज कर, आज करे सो अब. किसने कहा है ये कहावत? ये संत कबीर, ये दोहा से लिया हुआ है. ओके, ये दोहा से, एक दोहा संत कबीर के दोहा से लिया गया. वेरी गुड चिल्ड्रन, यू रिमेम्बर द दोहा. आई एम सो प्राउड ऑफ यू. वेल डन. Okay. I'm so proud. You all know that your son Sanskrit also, right? Son Kabirdas. Very good. Okay. Arise, awake, and don't stop. Sorry. Arise, awake, and stop not till the goal is achieved. Who said this? Wow, very good. Principal ma'am also. Very good. It's Swami Vivekanand. Very good. Well done, students. So you remember your history, right? Very good. Well done. All will get a smiley. Okay. स्वराज्य हा माझा जन्मसिद्ध अधिकार आहे आणि तो मी मिळविणारच. हे कोणाचं वाक्य आहे? व्हेरी गुड. वेल डन मॅम. Very good. So only few answers I'm getting. Very good. Well done. Well done, students. Keep on, keep on. I'm waiting for more. Well done. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Very good. Well done. He was also known as what? You can unmute yourself. He was also known as. Yes.
Lokmanya. Lokmanya.
Other.
What is the question, ma'am?
Okay. What was he also known as? Bal Gangadhar.
Bal Gangadhar Tilak.
That was his name, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, and he was known as Lokmanya.
Was also known as
Lokmanya.
right, but other. He was also known as Iron Man.
Iron Man.
Taken the strokes on the iron, strokes on the.
Sardar Patel was called Iron
That
Man.
was Vallabhbhai Patel.
Yes.
Vallabhbhai Sardar Patel. Yes, he was known as Iron Man.
I think he was known as Bharat Kesari or something.
Okay.
Two newspapers.
Okay.
Yes.
Sorry. Next. Next, please. Strive not to be a success, but rather to be of value. Who said this? Try not to be a success. Wow, ma'am. Well done. Only I'm getting one answer. Bravo, ma'am. Clap. Oh, I would like everyone to give us, unmute yourself and clap for ma'am.
Now I'm feeling like a child. Thank you.
Next. Very good memory, ma'am. Okay. Happiness is not ma'am, happiness is not something ready-made. It comes from you, from your own action. Who's saying that these? Wow.
Again, Principal Ma'am. Dalai Lama.
Very good. Only ma'am said, very good. Very good. Now, once more, a round applause. Once more. I want to very good. Very good. Keep it up, ma'am. Next. You have to dream before your dream can come true. Who said this? Wow. Very good, ma'am. Very good. Well done, everybody. Today, what do we celebrate is? Can you unmute today? What do we celebrate today? Can anyone unmute and tell me? Wow.
Birth anniversary of Abdul Kalam Azam.
Birth
Good.
Students Day.
World Student Day.
World Student Day.
Yes, very good. And you used to love students, right, children?
Veena ma'am,
Yes, sir.
Veena ma'am, I wished you last time on Teachers' Day. You did not wish me today on Students' Day.
Oh, I'm so sorry. But next this year I will surely wish you on 14th. Okay, I will remember to wish you. Don't worry. You
So
know,
today is not only World Students Day but World Values Day also. And Veena ma'am showed the value of accepting her mistake, apologizing. She said sorry, and she said thank you. So these are the values that you have displayed.
Yes,
thank you, ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So you are right, right? You have to dream before your dream comes true. So everybody dreams or not? Greg sir, do you dream?
Yes, even daydreams.
I hope all others don't dream. Deepa ma'am, you do daydream, right?
I have two types
No,
of
ma'am.
dreams.
No, ma'am.
I
No,
thought
not like Greg, sir.
Deepa daydreaming, but very often.
No, not at all.
Okay, we'll carry on next. Next, please. Okay. Thank you. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. Have you enjoyed this game?
Yes, ma'am.
Would you like to play
Yes,
next? Would you like to play next time? So
Yes.
definitely.
you have to discover more. Okay, you have to find out more about our history, geography. Read more. Okay, and learn. Don't forget, we have a very good history. So go deep down and learn more. Okay, I would like to call upon Sharon ma'am to carry forward the presentation. Sharon ma'am, over to you.
Yes. Thank you, Veena ma'am.
Welcome.
Namaste, namaste, learners. How are you all?
We are fine, Sharon ma'am.
Okay,
Namaste. I'm fine.
very
I'm good
good.
today. I had
Okay,
cold yesterday. I'm good today.
okay. Take care. Okay, so today I will taking you at a play at preparatory stage, grade 3 to 4, grade 3 to 5 in subject English. Okay, I will be taking you in English class. So today we will learn by playing a jumble word activity with a twist in it. So the twist is that you can you can make the words not only by arranging them, but also by taking in between letters too. Means making new words using the same letters. Okay, for example, if hatch, okay, the word hatch, possible words you can form, that is catch, hatch, cat, and so on. Okay, hope you all understood this.
Ma'am, do you mean we can make a smaller word also?
Yes. So this is like a jumble word activity, and from that you have to find the word, meaningful word, and then you have to find out the smaller word also. Okay. You can write your answer in the chat box. So let's start the game. You all are ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's start the game. I'm giving you the jumble letters, and with the letters you can form new words. Okay. So the first word, come on students. Okay, very good. Yes, correct. Very good, pocket. So now you have found the word. Now you have to find more words with the given
Ma'am, the
letter.
answers are op, top, pot,
Yes, very good.
scope, poke,
Wow, very good students. Well
pet.
done. Yes, keep it up. Okay, very good. Well done, everyone. So the next word, Very good, Vandana ma'am, principal ma'am.
Behavior.
Yes, very good, Greg sir. Very good. Well done. Very good. Come on, children, more words.
The words formed by this jumble letters are bar, are, rob, have, behave, bravo, out, base, rave, robe, hero, and so on.
Okay, well done. Well done. Well done, students. Well done. Very good. Next word. Wow, very good. Shella ma'am, very good. Very good, Greg sir, Dipti ma'am. Very good. Well done. My children are very active. Wow,
Yes,
well
so the
done.
possible words are men, achieve, magnet, and a, men, went, achieve, ten, and so on.
Okay, very good. Well done. Well done, students. Okay, wow. Next word. Wow, very good, Shella ma'am, Priyanka ma'am, Vandana ma'am, great sir, Sonia ma'am, Deepa ma'am, Pooja ma'am, very good, Asha ma'am, Usha ma'am, very good. Well done, everyone. So next word. Yes, correct. Very good, Usha ma'am. Prize. Very good. Very good, Dipti ma'am.
Okay, the words formed are ice, ripe, rip, and epic. Um, prize, yes.
Yes. Well done, everyone. Very good. The next word is okay. Very good, Deepa ma'am. Very good. Well done. Keep it up. Wow. Very good. Wow. Well done, everyone. Well done. Keep it up. Very good. So, Greg sir, there is no prize for this, but you are learning new words, correct? With this activity, we are learning new words and we are learning how to find the new words, correct? So, that is the prize for us. Greg sir, I'm giving you more smileys today, okay? From me, this is the
Thank
gift
you.
for you. Welcome, sir. Okay, well done, everyone. Yes, very good. Well done. Amazing. Well done. Next word. Wow, fantastic. Yes, correct. Beautiful. Very good. Amazing. Wow, well done. Keep it up, everyone. Next word. Come on, students. Yes, correct. Very good, Priyanka ma'am. Excellent. Well done. Fantastic, everyone. Intelligence. Yes. Okay, well done, everyone. Now, my dear students, pat yourself, everyone. Yes, very good. I hope you all enjoyed this activity and you have learned new words. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Sharon, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone. So now I request Prajakta ma'am to take the presentation ahead.
Namaste, children. How are you all?
Namaste, ma'am. We are
Namaste,
fine.
ma'am. I'm great.
So, are you excited to play?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So, before we begin, before I take you to play, let's recall what we had learned about the balanced ecology system through food chain and food web, where we saw how food chain and food web works. It's all about who eats who. So, the very basic level starts from the plants. Who eats the plants? The herbivores. Herbivores eat the plants, and then the carnivores eat the herbivores, and then the decomposers take their role. So, next slide, Hinama. So, I would like Dhanashri to tell me what is the difference between food chain and a food web.
Namaste, ma'am.
Namaste.
Ma'am, I can see that in food chain there are many food chain. A single chain I can see there.
Yes, very good.
Whereas if I see in food web, there are many animals are there,
Hmm.
and there are many. It's um, the many food chains are jumbled up. It's like that.
Yes. So, are you trying to tell one animal eats the other? Even the same animals can eat the other
Yes,
animals. So,
yes.
yes, very good. Very good. So, next slide, ma'am. So, I want everybody to look at these pictures given and you have to create a food web. Can you all do that? So, I would like you to start using these pictures. You can write the names. You don't need to draw. You can write the names. Yes, you can write it, draw it, write it in the book or on a piece of paper. So you have to make a food web. I'm giving you 2 minutes. You have to take the help of the pictures given in the slide and make a food web. Create a food web. You're welcome, Deepa. It's okay if you go wrong. It's okay.
I have done.
Yes, okay. Usha, show me. Can you show me the food web? Can you pin on, can everybody pin on Usha ma'am? Yes. So can you tell me, Usha, what have you made? How is the web? Okay, can you read out for us?
Ma'am, you are on mute.
Yeah, I have made grass at the base. Then grass is eaten by deer, by grasshopper, and by earthworm and snails. Okay, then the deer is eaten by lion. Okay, then
Okay.
grasshopper is eaten by frog. Frog is eaten by snake, and snake is eaten no, eaten by eagle. Okay, then I have made earthworm, snail. Earthworm is eaten by mouse.
Wow,
Mouse is
very
eaten
good.
by snake. Snake is eaten by eagle. So I have made many, like a food web like this. Can you?
Very good. Very good. Yes, we can see.
Prajakta
Yes.
ma'am, my food web is little different.
Okay, you can show. You can show me. Well done, Usha. You get lots of smileys. Well done. A very broad smile. Wait.
Ma'am, can you see?
Yeah, just a minute, okay? Yes, I can see you. Can you
Ma'am, there is a
explain,
graph.
Dhanushree? Yes.
Yes, ma'am, there is a grass. The grass is eaten by grasshopper, and the grasshopper is eaten by frog. And the snail is also eating grass, and the snail will eaten by frog. So frog
Okay.
is eaten grasshopper also and snail also. Then
Okay.
the frog is eaten by rat, and the rat is eaten by snake, and the snake is eating frog also. And
Oh,
finally, the snake is eaten by eagle.
well
And here
done.
the grass is eaten by deer, and deer is eaten by lion. Is it
Well
correct,
done.
ma'am?
Yes, yes. The food
Thank
web
you,
is,
ma'am.
yes, very good. Well done. Well done. Well done. Okay, anybody else has completed the food web?
Yes, ma'am, even I have done
Okay.
it.
Can you show me?
Yes, I don't think I can present the screen because screen presentation is already going on.
Okay.
But what I have done is I have taken a plant as the base, that is the producer,
Okay.
and then the plant is eaten by earthworm, snail, and then they are eaten by frog, frog is eaten by snake, snake is eaten by eagle, and then plant is also eaten by deer, deer is eaten by lion,
Well done. Yes.
so the entire web is there.
Okay, well done. You had to think, right? You took a lot of
Yes,
efforts to think and make the
yes,
web. Well
yes.
done, well done. Anybody else would like to show a web if you have drawn? Principal ma'am, can you?
Prawn.
Okay, Shabnam ma'am. Yes, Shabnam ma'am.
Still, it's incomplete, ma'am.
Okay,
Can I
okay.
share my
Principal ma'am, can you show me? Shabnam ma'am, can you do it after principal ma'am?
So mine is also very similar to what the other three have spoken. There is nothing much different about it.
Okay. Okay,
Prajakta
well
ma'am,
done. Yes, yes. Yes,
I
Greg.
could not do any web. My spider is killed.
Oh, that's very sad. But you can.
But this is what will happen now in the food web. One will be killed by the other.
Yes. Who eats who?
I meant
Right.
the
Well,
other way. I said, who
Greg.
creates web? The spider. My spider is killed. So
Oh,
I can't
that's
create
very
web.
sad. But you can create, no, with your pen, by using your pen and pencil. You can
More or
create
less,
the web.
more or less same.
But Prajakta ma'am, if that all spiders are killed, then what
Mhm.
frogs are going to eat? So frogs also will get killed, no? Because they will not get
Yes.
food.
Yes. You know why these webs, why these animals survive by eating other animals? so that the ecosystem is balanced, so that everybody survives equally. Okay, but there are options for the frogs to eat other animals like flies. They can eat flies.
Like lizards, like
Yes,
earthworm.
yes, there are
But
other.
but still, but still, we should have all these various animals. The variety looks beautiful, so we should not
Right,
kill any one type of animal. We should not kill any kind of animal.
any animal. Yes,
We
it's
are going
not
to
good.
wait in the natural process.
Yes, very good. Very good principle, ma'am. So there are so many thinking caps our children have put. So many caps are on. So, Greg, did you get the answer?
Yes, yes.
Okay,
Ma'am,
very good.
ma'am, you know
Yes.
who killed that spider? Greg sir threw a stone on the spider and he died. You see?
Oh, oh, so it's
That was
not good to kill. It's
ma'am
not
by
good to kill.
mistake. I did
Ma'am,
not do
even
on
even
purpose.
Greg sir kills chickens and hens. I have seen him eating chicken and chicken leg. That's very
Greg,
What
bad.
should I eat? What should I eat?
you can eat
But
vegetarian food. You can eat plants.
Yes, ma'am, I balance it out. I don't eat only chicken, I eat everything.
Okay, my God. Okay, so even you are the part of the balanced ecosystem. Yes. Okay. So
Yes.
well done, everyone. Very good. And now I would like you all to pin on the presentation. So we can also indulge by taking the same topic with teachers. We can by taking using the same topic, we can indulge the children in this play. Like all you need is a corkboard. Ma'am, can you change the slide? Yes. All you need is a corkboard, push pins, rubber bands or woolen thread, pictures of various animals, and an instruction card. A teacher is not supposed to say anything to the children. You can write whatever you need the children should do in the instruction card. So, next slide. So the children will take these cards, use it, or they will use it in the way they want, and then they will form a web like this. You can ask the children to be in groups, or they can play individually as well. So next slide, the web would look like this. The final web would look like this. Can you change the slide, ma'am? Hina ma'am? Yes, the final web would look like this, and it would be a very fun play for the children, and the children would enjoy doing this, and lots of instructions and lots of skills they would be enhancing. So the last question for you all. Can you change the slide, ma'am? It's a trivia time. What skills do you think if the children do this activity, the pictures that I showed, if the children do that activity, what skills will be enhanced? The skills won't be developed, but what skills they will enhance, because development of the skills happen in the foundational stage, but later the skills are enhanced. So what skills would you think will be enhanced? Very good. Motor skills, yes. Coordination, yes. Empathy, right, right, sir. Yes. Teamwork, collaboration, well done. Yes, fine motor skills as well. The skills are enhanced. Yes, critical thinking, well done. Logical thinking. Yes, Sarika ma'am, एकत्र काम करण्याची कला. Very good. Yes, they would. Creative thinking. Yes, problem solving. Love for animals. Yes, that's right. Yes, so there are many skills which would be enhanced, and the children would come up with many questions as well. And there the teacher's role comes. When when the children come up with different questions, yes, inquiry based skills will be enhanced, and the teacher's role comes there when she has to answer to the questions. That's all I had to present. Thank you for listening to me, and thank you for the cooperation. I
Ma'am,
would like Sharon. Yes, yes, correct, sir. Yes.
I have a question. What if
Yes.
all the tigers die in the world? Will we still survive?
No, we have to take care of the tigers. We have to make sure that the tigers don't die. And yes, our country and the other people who are there who are working in this in the system where they are looking after the animals, they are taking care that they are not allowing the tigers to die, or they are trying to increase their population. Greg, it would be better if you watch Discovery and Animal Planet. You will get lots of information of how the people are working for the animals
Okay, ma'am.
survival. Okay?
Sure. Thank you.
Yes.
Prajakta
Yes.
ma'am,
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
I was reading a book on animals, and there is one information which I got. Can I tell to all my classmates?
Yes, sure, you can. Even I would be loving to hear that.
So it has been said that in fact Einstein said this, that within 4 years of extinction of bees, honeybees, the humanity would also die. It means the honeybees are so important that if they die, we won't be able to live for more than 4 years after that. And what he said is because they are very important for the process of agriculture, because they are involved in
Pollinating.
pollination.
Pollination. Yes.
So I
Very
think
good.
this is very interesting, and we all should take care of not only honeybees. I personally feel we should take care of all insects, all animals, everyone. What do you say, Prajakta ma'am? Am I right?
Yes, very true. Yes, you are absolutely right. We have to take care of the insects as well, because there are insects also who are helping in pollination. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for giving the extra information. Children, did you hear? Would you like to research on all these topics that we have heard or learned today? Yes, okay.
Yes, ma'am, we will.
Okay, good children, good. So I would like thank you everyone for cooperating and being a good listener. So I would like Miss Sharon Kinney to take up the presentation further.
Okay, namaste everyone. Now I will be taking play at a secondary stage through math. Yes. So I will be providing guidelines to the children how to play this game. I will give them 5 balls each and ask them to aim at the basket which is kept in front of them. So the name of the game is Aim High Game. Okay. So we will be experiencing this game thrill of this game by looking at our participants play. Okay. So my first participant is Hina ma'am. Hina ma'am, I request you to on your
Sharon
video.
ma'am, should I stop the presenting screen?
Pardon ma'am?
Should I stop presenting the screen?
Yes, yes, yes. You have to stop it, and I request you to play this Aim High game, keeping your audio and video on.
Yes, yes.
on. Everyone need to pin COD PPRRIS. Okay. So Hina ma'am, I have given you 5 balls. You have to aim to the basket. Okay. You have to put the 5 balls in the basket.
You can see my basket?
Yes, ma'am. I can clearly see.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
So I have balls full of in a basket.
You have a basket full of balls. I
Yes,
can
ma'am.
see your balls full of baskets.
Okay, so Hina ma'am, you can start aiming. Okay, 1.
Hina, your son is allowing you to play. He's not saying he wants to play.
Ma'am, he just slept.
You can tell him also to participate.
He must be thinking all my balls mama has taken, so from where I should play. Okay, Hina ma'am. Yes, very good.
Oh, one is out of the basket, ma'am.
It's okay, Hina ma'am, you can try. Oh, well done, Hina ma'am. So you have aimed, yes, Well done. Okay. Yes. Well done.
Ma'am, I have 6 balls in my basket.
And how many did you try out of?
10.
Okay, so you had 10 balls, out of which only 6 balls are there in the basket right now.
Yes,
Is it?
ma'am.
So, dear Hina, what do you think? What the fraction will be framed or formed?
Ma'am, 10 is to 6.
I want the fraction.
Ma'am, my 4 balls are out of the basket.
Okay, so it's 6 by 10?
Yes, ma'am.
6 by 10 or 6 is to 10? Yes, it's 6 by 10. Okay, thank you so much, Hina, for participating. Okay, next participant would be
Yes, ma'am.
Prajakta.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. 1 minute, huh? And I would like to switch on my camera. Yes.
One
So,
second,
ma'am,
everyone can pin on Prajakta. Prajakta, the same game you
Just
have
a
to
minute.
play.
ma'am, is my basket visible? Just a minute. Okay. Just a minute, ma'am. So, ma'am, I'm holding I have 5 balls with me, and I'm going to throw it in the basket.
Prajakta,
Okay?
you have to do it with 10 balls. Do
10
you have 10
balls?
balls with
Okay.
you? Yes.
Ma'am,
So do
but
you
you
know?
said 5 balls, ma'am. You said 5
But it's
balls.
okay. Now I'm changing. Okay, it's 10 balls now. Okay. So you know how to go about, right?
Yes, ma'am, but I have only 9 balls with me right now. Just a minute. Yes. Yes, I got it. I got it. I
Yes.
got it. I have 10 balls with me, okay?
Yes.
So now I'm aiming.
1. Very good.
Oh, it fell down.
It's okay. You can try.
Oh. And okay.
Okay. So
Ma'am,
Prajakta,
can
can you
I?
tell me what is the score?
Yes, I'll tell you. Huh? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 balls.
Okay. So you also have 6 balls. So what fraction will be framed, Prajakta?
6 by 10, ma'am.
Yes, 6 by 10. Very good. Thank you, Prajakta, and thank you, Hina, for
Thank you,
participating.
ma'am. Thank
So
you,
here,
ma'am.
yes. So here, Hina ma'am and Prajakta ma'am were able to frame simple proper fractions, right? So what if this game is taken to a more advanced level? So here, if the teacher can add the element of time and distance, for example, if in 30 seconds, if I give Hina ma'am to aim keeping herself at a distance of 1 meter, right? So here the teacher can also ask children to form teams, for example, team A and team B, where the teams would get answers to some proper fractions, improper fractions, some equivalent fractions, right? So Hina, I would request you to present the screen. Are you there, Hina ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now I have few questions for you related to this aim high game. Okay. Okay. Next slide, ma'am. Okay, this is how it looks like when the intensity of this is involved. Like if we give them some time, like a limit of 30 seconds or the element of distance. Okay, so this is how it will look like. They are playing in a team. There will be team A, team B. And next slide. Yes, this is how they can play. Next slide, ma'am. Okay, so the question answer round. Which type of play is this aim high game? As Hina ma'am showed you the slide, there are types of play, right? There is sensory play, there is dramatic play, exploratory play, manipulative play, creative play. So I want you all to answer this question. Which type of play is this game, aim high game? Answers in the comment box. Sensory play, yes. Anybody else having any other answer? Collaborative, yes. Cooperative, very good. Even it is exploratory play, where the child is learning by finding out something, by aiming at the basket, right? So it will be sensory, this exploratory play as well. Yes, very good. Concentration, creative, parallel. Yes. Thank you everyone for the answers. Next slide, ma'am. Accuracy. Yes, very good. Very good, ma'am. Okay, the next question is, name which stage of play is involved in this particular activity. We have various stages of play. We have associative play, we have solitary play, we have onlooker play, we have parallel play, we have cooperative play. So which stage of play is involved? Parallel, yes. And when the children are working in team, yes, solitary. Wrist movement, collaborative. Very good, correct, sir. Yes. Yes. So when the children are doing it alone, it's solitary. When the children are working in team, it's cooperative or associative play, where both the teams are interested in the activity, okay, of throwing the ball at a particular distance with the same speed, okay. So also it was an organized, and they have their assigned task of framing fractions, right? So next slide, ma'am. I would request any math teacher, only the math teacher, to answer this question, structured play. Yes, ma'am. So what concepts are covered through this game? I want the math teacher to unmute themselves and answer. Amar sir, are you there? Amar sir? Yes. So
Yes, ma'am.
Please answer this question. Which concepts are covered through this game, this aim high game? Very good.
So using this game, a lot of concepts are actually covered of mathematics. So basically, it involves fraction, decimal, simplification, comparison of fraction, addition of fraction. Now, why addition is because, for example, now it was played at one level. So where one person got a chance out of 10, the other person got out of 10. Suppose it is played even for the second time. So we will have two answers which we need to total, right? For example, team A has scored 6 out of 10 in the first attempt, whereas the team A scored say 3 out of 10 in the second attempt. So if we go to add them, we are doing addition of fraction, and if it is taken to a very high level, even secondary and higher secondary, we can introduce the concept of LCM. We can bring the concept LCM, addition of complex mathematics over here. We are also indirectly covering the concept distance, the speed, because when we are throwing the ball, at what speed we need to throw, what distance is exactly required to throw that ball, which weight to certain unit. So it involves almost most of the character and operations that are then mathematics. So from my side, it would be this kind of thing can be involved. Equivalent fractions, force, vector, some science. Also, we can be involved in this, because force, vector, we use all these things in science as well. So that can be also connected to this topic, ma'am.
Yes, thank you so much. That was a lot of information, knowledge given to us, Amar sir. Thank you so much. I request Tina ma'am to kindly take the presentation ahead.
Thank you, Sharon ma'am. We are end for the presentation. Play is enjoyable for all, but often underestimated for its unique way of positively influencing physical, cognitive, and psychosocial development. This world of play offers children vast opportunities to learn about themselves, others, and the environment in which they live. Play is child's work. Let the children play. Thank you everyone for your valuable time.
So Hina, are you ending here?
Yes, ma'am. We are done.
So I'm just taking the opportunity myself to comment on it. May
Yes,
I?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Please.
I must say I was the most engaged in this session. I have been enjoying all the sessions. They were all wonderful, but because play itself is something which is very natural to human beings to get attracted to, and that is why it is one of the most important pedagogies, especially to be used with the younger children. Though we can see that adults like ourselves also are so excited to always participate in games and plays, and you all have presented it beautifully. It was a very smooth transition from one stage to another, from one teacher to another. You have involved the audience very well. There was a lot of clarity in what was happening. Nobody seemed to be confused. It is such a wonderful display of tremendous teamwork, confidence, and clarity of thought and the concept. You were clear what you are going to do and what you were doing. So fantastic. Congratulations from my side. I have one suggestion, Hina. When you
Yes,
were telling us about those great educationists who have given wonderful pedagogies
Yes.
to us. So one name which you said, it should be Vygotsky, and why I'm getting more personally uh, affected by taking the
Ma'am,
name.
I heard a different pronunciation, and I practiced also Vygotsky and Vygotsky, different. So before
Yeah,
starting for the
that's
session, I again heard the pronunciation, and I got confused at that time. I was nervous as well.
So in such a case, we should go by what the person himself calls himself. Like
Okay.
how was the person named? You know, the native. What did the parents name him? So it's Vygotsky. Just for our information, because it's a very common name we'll come across when we read educational books. The other is Freud. Sigmund Freud is a very well-known psychologist. So, and he has excellent work on children. So let us all read those works as well. Once again, thank you so much, Hina. It was fabulous. So
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you
congratulations
so
to
much.
you and each and every one from Sharon, both the Sharons, Prajakta, Veena ma'am. Did I miss anybody?
No, ma'am. Thank
No,
you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank you all.
so much, ma'am.
Terrific. Keep it up. God bless you. Thank
Thank
you
you
so
so
much.
much, ma'am.
Any announcements for tomorrow? Please tell us before you end.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Sharon. Thank you, Prajakta ma'am. Thank you, Sharon Dingalo. Veena ma'am, thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
Hina ma'am, for
Thank
guiding
you
us.
to your audience.
Thank you, Hina ma'am, for guiding us.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Tomorrow we have a presentation of the Greg sir. Greg sir, would you like to
Sharon,
make an announcement?
Kini, thank you
Yes.
so much for helping.
Thank you. So it's okay, ma'am. We are a team and we have to help each other, right?
Hello. Yes, Hina ma'am. Did you ask me something?
Yes, sir. Your presentation is there tomorrow, sir. Would you like to make an announcement?
Yeah, fine. So, dear friends, tomorrow we have the sports integrated presentation, and soon I'll be sending the invitation as well on the PD group and various groups. So, I hope you read it, and we are excited to present. This would be our second and the last presentation, but I'm enjoying each and every presentation. Thank you for your wonderful ideas and allowing us to do all that sort of participation. Thank you so much. So, see you tomorrow at 3:40. Thank you.
Sir, I wanted to ask you, did you get chance to play in today's
I had
play-based
fun.
learning?
I also mentioned there in the group, I mean, the chat box, it was not a child's play to present so wonderful session. So that was good one.
And that
Wonderful.
too virtually, sir.
Yes, that's what. That's what. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
So all the best to Greg's team for tomorrow.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Bye bye. And everyone, please join on time. Today there were around 25 out of 38 people on time. See you. Hina's team, relax today. Have fun. Enjoy.
Ma'am, we
Thank
have
you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Hina ma'am has to give us the party, right, Hina ma'am?
Ma'am, we have storytelling session as well. In